Hello everyone. I'm back with the new tutorial. This is tutorial number 11. So we are still in a geometry section. So last time we were in a particle system. We were discussing about the particle system of Max. So now if you click on the on the list, you can see there is door and there is doors and windows. So today's topic is doors and windows. So you just click on doors. If you click on doors, from here, you will see that three types of doors. Max is giving you three types of doors. And now the question is, why doors and windows? Okay, doors and windows is actually a very these presets are very old presets. When I was learning 3ds Max in with the 3ds Max version 8, they got these presets actually. So Max is keeping these presets. Actually this is very supportive for architects and planners, especially for the architects, because this is very supportive for floor plan design and all that. So you don't have to have to you don't have to do the door from the scratch. So okay, so like the door, this is pivot, this is sliding, this is p fold, b-fold, bifold. Okay, so the pivot, if I click on pivot, you see the lot of parameters. So just click on here and here. Okay, and here. So the system is actually, this is the door, you see, this is the door. So the system is actually, you click on pivot. Let's say you wanna make, so you just drag. Okay, let the mouse go, and the width, this is the length of the door, let it go. So that this is the base of the door actually, let it go, and then go upside. Okay, so this is the door, this is the door. Okay, so let's see what is it's offering actually. Length, width, height. Okay, maybe. Okay, maybe this is the door. Okay, so okay, so this is double door, flip door, you see. You can change, okay. Then you can have the, okay, you can change this, okay. This may be the glass option. You can change this also. You can change, you can design this one, you can design this one, or you can design that one. Okay, there you see, instantly you got a very good design, something kind of this design. Just tweaking the parameters. So okay, a lot of parameters. So this is the pivot door, you see. Okay, let's see the sliding again. Okay, yeah. Okay, this is the sliding. So this is actually two sliding door. So yeah, as always, you have the length, width, and depth. Okay, and then you have the, you can increase this one. You can do this one, and you can also do tweak this one, and then the threshold. Okay, this one you can tweak that. So you can tweak also that. So imagine this is a glass glass section. Okay, And then you have some more parameters, but these are okay. You can class and you can, oh, okay, can have you know, some sort of design here also. Okay, okay. So you see, this is very good. I mean, yeah, opening. Oh, okay. You have the opening also, the sliding kind of sliding animation kind of thing. But this is not animation. This is actually the presets. Yeah, you see. So the slide door. Okay. Then you have maybe the pivot has also some more functions, maybe okay. Oh, opening. Okay, here is the opening. Okay, so here is the opening. Yeah, so okay, now is the pf fold. So the pf fold, maybe we are seeing here the pf fold is like this. So you can do the opening like here. Ah, okay. BF fold. So like this length and width and height. And also you can increase this thing. Okay. Okay. Ah, okay. 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 You can tweak the doors. Okay. So this is very handy. This is very very effective for 3D designers who are architects, who are actually working on architectural projects. So you see this three kind of door. Uh, so yeah, so Max has this presets. You can use it. So these assets are for speed up the project, speed um, up the modeling process. So yeah, only right now, only in the door section there are only three doors there along, but you can have a lot of lot of parameters, lot of variations, so that these three you can generate a different type of doors. So by this three doors. So I just showed you some basic tweaking, some basic functionality. So all of this is with the modifier. So you can see here is the modifier, here is the modifier. All the doors has a very good modifier components. You can use, you can tweak, and you can use them in your projects, actually initial projects. Of course, you can make the doors according to your choice, according to your desire, according to your understanding and your design. But these are actually presets. These presets are helpful for your projects, to speed up the projects. You see. So yeah, guys, this is actually the door. I'm talking about the door. So the doors part is you can find here. The recap is you can find here. Just go to the geometry option and go to the list, and you can find here the doors. You see the doors. Okay, so here the doors, you can find the three kind of doors. Okay, thank you.